Hello my dear students, I hope you all are doing good. So today we'll start with our next chapter, that is chapter 8, application of integrals. What do you mean by application of integrals? Yes, we have studied previously integrals, right? Now application means where it is applied, simple, right? Application means what? Where is used your integrals. Same you had studied your application of derivatives, right? In the same way we'll study for our application of integrals. So in previous class we have studied using our definite integral, limit of sum, yes, integrals you had, how you have to apply and all. Now in this part we will study area under simple curve. Now if suppose we have to find the area of this curve, okay, so how you gonna find it? For that case what we'll do, we'll take a small strip, okay, taken a small strip. This curve is whatever, nothing but y is equal to f of x, right? Y only. This curve is our y is equal to f of x. Now this strip you can take this as D, okay, this is as your D plane. Now we will find the area of this small and then consider for our whole, right? We can do in such a way. If you want to find the area of this, if suppose you have like this, even here also we'll take a strip. If you have here negative part it come, but area can never be negative for, so negative part we will take modulus, always I've said you. See, as this is in your x axis, so this width we will take it as dx, right? You can treat this strip as a rectangle. So now if you see here, its length, it's an x, so this will be what? This is your y, right? So this will be as your y. So how I can write? And this you can see, its x is what? Fx, right? See here you can see it is fx. So this elementary strip area if you have to find, so how we can write? dA is equal to y dx, right? dA is equal to y dx. Y, even we can write it how? dA is equal to f of x dx, right? This much you have understood. This dA means what? Area of elementary strip, right? It is just area of elementary strip. Now you have to find the area of full region. Now see, y means it is only of this much, right? Y, f of x is what your y. So area of this much you did, elementary. Now we want of this region. We want the region of what? P, Q, R, S, right? Of this region we want area. So to find, before that we should know some here, x is equal to a, x is equal to b. Integrals we should know, right? So how you will find it? So what you have to do to find area of PQRS? Integrating, right? By integrating. Integrating from where to where? From x is equal to a to b. So how it will be? Your dA, from where you are doing? From a to b. And what is your dA? It is nothing but your f of x, right? So f of x dx from your a to b. So when you are integrating your dA, what it becomes? A, right? You are integrating your a, means so many strips you will get under a to b are integrating. So you will get a, and this will be what? Integration a to b f of x dx. Yes. So this in short how it becomes? F of b minus f of a only, right? Your fundamental theorem. When we integrate, we apply our integrals how? So by this also you will get the area only, means it will be same. You find in anyhow you will get the same. Now for suppose you have your curve this. Here you have a curve for your x axis. Now you have for y axis, means here x is equal to f of y it is, right? So you have to find this curve. As you can see, this is vertical, right? Vertical strip we had considered and we had found. If the same, if it is horizontal, how you will do? This is same, you will take for your strip, but here how it will be? This will be your y. So y is equal to a, y is equal to b, right? And this will be your y and this will be your x. So about this you will find out in the same way. So just what you can replace here, a your x will be what? F of y. So integral in place of f of x, it will be what? F of y, and this will be what? Dy, right? Because it is along y axis. So it will be fy dy, and integral same a to b. F of y dy is nothing but your x dy. Here also same it will be. F of x is nothing but your y. I hope this is clear. This is your horizontal strip, right? If it is horizontal means you have to do in a such a way. So I am writing here everything horizontal way, and this here vertical way. I hope this much is understood how you have to find the areas. Now for suppose same, if you have to find the curve of this, when you see, if you find, you have to find the curve of this. Here same y is equal to f of x only, but as you can see, your f of x is negative, right? This is negative. So your x is equal to a, x is equal to b, same it is y, everything will be same. Everything is same. Your area, how you have to find integrals only. F of x dx, but your f of x is negative, so negative term comes here, and area can never be negative, right? If you are finding something, now if you are finding, if I tell you what's the area of your room, like your bedroom, your hall, do you tell minus 20 feet square or minus 200 square feet? Do you tell like this? No, right? Because area can never be negative. So whenever you have a negative, when your limit sum is coming negative, you are applying your modulus, because modulus, as I've said you, if you are taking negative also means it comes out as your positive. We apply for modulus. Okay, we'll do an example, like you will come to understand how we will use it. Then find the area enclosed by a circle. So they have given a circle, that is x square plus y square is equal to a square. So as you can see, it is at origin. Yes, center is origin. Origin is what? 0 0, right? And radius is what? A, right? Radius is your a. So we'll draw a circle. Now center is origin, radius a means how you'll draw? Circle will come here, right? Because it is origin. Now as you can see, circle, now we have to find. So what we will do? We will consider any one part and we'll find area of that. And as you can see, they are symmetric, right? 4 parts is also symmetric to each other. So one part we will do and we can multiply it by 4, right? And we will get the area of everything. So we'll consider this. Okay, this part I'll consider. This part first we will draw it, and then we'll find the area of this part, and then we will multiply it with our 4. Now to find this, we'll take a strip, right, which is y, and this is what? Its coordinates is what? Your origin, and radius is a. Radius is a. Here also it is your origin and radius is your a. So area, how it is find it out? A is equal to 4 times, right? 4 times you have to do, because of 4 it is symmetric, from your origin and your area is a. So from 0 to a it will be y dx, from 0 to a, right? Now what is our y? Now see here, we are taking use of our circle. Say x square plus y square is equal to a square. Y square is what? A square minus x square. So y will be what? Plus or minus root of a square minus x square, right? So y is plus or minus root of a square minus x square. But as you can see, which part of y we are considering, the region which we are considering y, it is positive. So our y will be root of a square minus x square, right? So this gonna substitute in your 1. So a is equal to 4 times your integration root a square minus x square dx from 0 to a. So next what we can do, AOB, suppose O, how we can take AOB, okay, yeah, this region is first quadrant, so we have taken as a positive. Now we will integrate it, yes, we will integrate it by integrating root of a square minus x square. You know this formula, right? A square minus x square formula is what? Yes, root of a square minus x square formula is what? X by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a plus c. See, in this area of integrals, this formula is used the most. This root of a square minus x square, you know, it is used the most. So please remember this formula. I am putting it like this, your star mark 2 as your, this part is very much important. This is used in problems you use most of time, you get like this only, you will end up to root of a square minus x square only. So remember this formula. This is your standard formula, right? We have done, this is your standard formula. So your root of a square minus x square is changed by x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, and integrals are from 0 to a, right? Integrals are from 0 to a. So how you will apply upper limit minus lower limit, right? So a is equal to 4 you keep as it is. So first wherever x is there, for the whole we will apply a, then minus will whole apply 0. So a by 2 root of a square minus a square plus a square by 2 sine inverse a by a, okay, minus of, see whatever if I take, it will be, everything will be 0 only, right? So directly I will write as a 0. Now 4, and you are having a by 2 root of a square, this is 0, and this is 1, right, plus a square by 2 sine inverse 1, sine inverse 1 comes under which? A square by 2, sine inverse 1 means pi by 2, right? Sine 90 is 1, so sine inverse 1 will be your 90, right? So you get like this. So 4 2 2 get 2 2s are 4 only, right? So you have pi a square, right? So your area you are getting is pi a square. Am I clear? It's very easy, same as the integrals only you have to do. Just you have to apply properly, you have to consider the areas and you have to do it. I hope this is clear, you have understood it. Like this you have to find. If you take in a horizontal way, if you consider like this, if you consider the same, but here it will be what? X dy. In place of y you will be having x dy, and from here you have to find your x value. Simple, x will be root of a square minus y square, that's it, right? I hope I am clear how you have to find area under a simple curve, means under a curve how you have to find a area. Now we will proceed to some other part. Now next part is area of the region bounded by a curve and a line. Now you have done the area of curve, right? You have done under this, you have done under this. Now suppose you have like this area, or like this of this area, or suppose you have a parabola, and like this, or like this, and here a line, sorry, like this. You have like this. So you have to find like this. So our topic is what? Area of a region bounded by curve and a line. Now we had only for one curve area. Now you have like this 2 curves, more than 1 curves you have with that a line. So how you will do? So we will consider an example only and we will do it. Okay. You have a question. Find the area of a region bounded by the curve y is equal to x square and the line y is equal to 4. Okay. Now we'll draw it. Y is equal to x square means it comes under parabola, right? So if you don't understand whether it is parabola or not, you should remember now x square it is. So x has 2 points, that is positive, negative. But you have to see here y comes under positive. So your curve will be how? To your y part. So this is your y is equal to x square and the line y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 means it is parallel to x axis, right? Line comes here now, y is equal to 4. This is y is equal to 4. So now you have to find the area of this curve. To find the area of this curve, how we will do? We will consider one part. You can see it is symmetrical, so twice the area of this curve. So we will consider first only this part and we will draw it. So we have to find, so we will consider this part. See, as you can see, you have 2 ways. Either you can go in previously how we did, we can take this strip, but here you see, here if I consider your 0, O, okay, and this as A, B, C or N, O, A, B, N. Now we are considering for O, B, O, N, B. This part we are considering. So if you want, like same previously, we can go consider this like this. We have to consider the curve. See this line and this line. You have to go your horizontal. So strip like this it comes, and this is under x. This will be your dy, right? Which I showed you, dy, and your line is y is equal to 4. So y is from where? Origin. Origin is x is what? 0, right? So y is from 0 to 4. When only y they have given, so your x will be obvious, it will be 0. So your y is from your origin is, see, from your origin it is 0 and your y is 4. So it is from 0 to 4. Both we will see. We can go like that. You have to find area of this. As you can see, they are symmetric, so we will take how? Twice. Area is taken as twice of your x. We are taking horizontal, so it will be x dy from 0 to 4, right? And x from where we will get? We will get from here, right? How you will get? We know that y is equal to x square. So x is what here? Plus or minus root y, simple. But we are taking the positive side, so we will get x is only root y. Okay. So we will substitute in this. A is equal to 2 root y dy 0 to 4. Now what? Nothing. You have to just integrate. 2 root y is what? Nothing but y raised to 1 by 2 0 to 4 dy. So integration will be 2 y raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, and it is from 0 to 4. So 2 into how it becomes 2 by 3. So this becomes here means 2 by 3 y raised to 3 by 2 from 0 to 4. Now substitute your limits. First upper limit minus your lower limit. I'll put here 2 to the 4 by 3. So you will get 4 raised to 3 by 2, and this is your as usual minus. So 4 raised to 3 by 2 is what? Nothing but how it is? 4 1 by 2, right? 1 by 2 and 3. 4 1 by 2 is what here? Root na? Root 4, and this is cube. Root 4 is nothing but it is 2. 2 cube. Right? So like this you can simplify. You should know it. 4 raised to 3 by 2 is nothing but your cube root of 2 also you can take directly, but I am showing you, you can split it like this. 4 raised to 1 by 2 raised to 3. 1 by 2 is nothing but your root na. Root 4 is what? 2. So 2 cube is your 8. 4 into 3 into 8. So it was 32 by 3. So your area is 32 by 3. Understood how you have to do? You can go like this way. This is one method. One more method I'll show you. First copy this much. Next part, what I can do, same the parabola. What I have to find the area of this part, right? I am considering this part. So I can draw here a line. As you can see, O, A, B, C, if I take better, A, B, C, D. So you can see this is a rectangle or a square, you can take symmetric. So this area I can find out. This whole minus this, if I do, I'll get the same, right? This area I will get, this region area I'll get. Your whole square minus area of only this region ACD will get the area of your ACB, right? We can do like this. So as you can see, now this, your line is what? Y is equal to 4. Line is your y is equal to 4. So your x coordinates will be what? As you know, the curve they have given already, y is equal to x square. So y is 4 is equal to x square. So x will be what? Plus or minus 2. Plus or minus 2 you are having, right? So here x is equal to 2, it becomes, here if you can take, will be minus 2, 4, and here it will be 2, 4. This your length, here it is what? X is equal to 0, this origin. So see how we have got your coordinates here, plus 2 minus 2, by this I have shown you. So if I want to find our required area, now this obvious it is symmetric, so twice it will be twice area of ABCD, this rectangle area of ABCD minus area of ADC, area of ACD or ADC, right? Now you see area of ABCD, area of ABCD is a rectangle. Your x axis is 2 and your y is 4, right? Your line is what? 4, and your x is, we are getting it 2, right? X is 2 and your y is 4. So area of rectangle is given as length into breadth, right? Area of rectangle is given how? Length into breadth. Our length is 4, our breadth is 2. So how much it will be? To 8 minus area of ACD. Now area of ACD how we'll do? Same way like previous, consider here only area of ACD, take this as 1. Area of ACD, how we'll do? Considering again here strip will take, this strip we are finding. So we are getting this as a curve, yes, under this. So it is dx, and integrals are where? From 0 to 2, right? X is equal to from 0 to 2. And what is your function y? Your y is what? X square, simple. So x square integration is what? X cube by 3 from 0 to 2. So what you will get? 2 cube, that is 8 by 3, and that is the minus 0. So this we will replace in your 1. So from 1 what will get? A is equal to 2 times 8 minus, you are getting 8 by 3. Take the LCM. What you are getting? 28 3 is at 24. 24 minus 8 is 24 minus 8 is 16, right? 16. So 16 2 is 32. 32 by 3. See, like this also you will get the same. You can find like this also. This is also very easy. Take the whole rectangle minus that part, you will get the area of your ABC. See, you can see area of ABCD, area of ABCD minus ACD gives you nothing but ACB. ACB gives you nothing but this is your ACB. I hope this much is clear. We will meet in the next class with our exercise part. Okay, thank you students.